Welcome to another Vellum tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how you can use a custom border to add forced edges to your book. Forced edges work by placing artwork in the bleed region of pages of a book. When pages are trimmed, the color of this artwork can also be seen from the side. Because this technique only makes use of the bleed region, it does not require any special printing equipment and can be used with any service that supports full bleed. In this example, forced edges have been used to create a relatively simple design that results in the appearance of a solid color. If you want a design to appear on the outside of your book, you'll need to provide a multi-page image, where each page represents a unique border. Creating artwork that reveals more sophisticated designs on edges can be complicated. For best results, we recommend working with a designer that specializes in edge artwork, like Painted Wings. Painted Wings sells ready-made edge artwork designed for Vellum and can also work with you to create a custom design for your book. Once you've acquired multi-page edge artwork, you can apply it to your book using a custom page border. To add one, first navigate to the Styles pane. In the style you've selected for your book, press the Configure button. Now in the list of style features on the left, select Background and Border. Press the Create Custom button that appears below the style carousel. Here select Page Border and press Create. After you've created a custom border, you'll see a set of controls which allow you to add your edge design and configure how it appears. Use the page span control to indicate whether the artwork in your edge design are single pages or spreads. Forced edges must reach the edge of the page, so make sure your image extent is set to full bleed. To add your edge design, click the widget to choose it from your files. If you've purchased your edge artwork from a designer like Painted Wings, your file may have included recommended settings for the border. When you add a file that includes recommendations, like this one, you'll be shown a prompt asking whether to apply them. If your edge artwork doesn't include recommendations, you can use the Apply To controls to select entire book. This ensures that your edge design will be applied to every page. If you've added a multi-page image, this will be indicated by a badge in the upper right corner of the image well. When you hover over the thumbnail, a tooltip will display the size of the image and the number of pages. When multi-page artwork is applied to the entire book, it will be positioned so that the edge design is centered. If the artwork has fewer pages than your book, you can use multi-page repeat to control how your design is applied to the remaining pages. When none is selected, the edge design will be centered. The First and Last Pages option will cause the first and last pages of artwork to repeat throughout your book. Make this selection when only the background of the design should repeat. The All option will cause all pages of the artwork to be repeated throughout your book. Make this selection when your entire design should repeat. After you add edge artwork, you'll see a border that gradually changes as you flip through the pages of your book. The overall design might not be evident from a single border, but once the book is closed, the full picture will reveal itself as if conjured by magic. Congratulations! You now know how to add forced edges to your book. If you have questions, feel free to contact us. The best way to do that is to go to the main help menu and select Contact Vellum Support.